Onyx Coin, XCN, stayed alive since the last time we've talked about this market. Let me show you guys what I'm seeing here on this very critical chart for Onyx Coin. This is the weekly time frame, and I've been talking about this falling wedge pattern for the longest time. And what I'm seeing here is, well, basically Onyx Coin at the bottom trend line of this huge falling wedge pattern that has been forming since February of this year. Okay. Now, if Onyx Coin actually is able to stay alive from within this pattern here and continues um, to be inside this pattern, keeping weekly candle closes inside this pattern, then this falling wedge pattern is still intact. And if it breaks out of this pattern by this point, for example, price target would be about 3.35 cents price target for Onyx Coin. Now, falling wedges are bullish patterns that have a higher chance of breaking to the upside. However, also have to mind the lower chance that they could still break down. Okay, we're all just talking about probabilities here. Nothing in this market is 100%. Now, the price target here is also an estimate. Okay, there could be more, there could be less, a lot of which does depend on what happens with Bitcoin. I did a more detailed video earlier on Bitcoin today. I would link you guys at the end of this video. I never trade altcoins without a clear understanding of Bitcoin because that could really affect your trades. Now, let's come over here to the daily time frame where I do see Onyx Coin. I talked about this falling wedge pattern here, and Onyx Coin did break out of this smaller falling wedge pattern and kept last week's weekly candle close alive back into this bigger falling wedge pattern here. Now, the price target for the smaller one is going to be about 0.92 cents price target. Quite a bit of resistance to get back above. Let's see if XCN can stay alive because it is very much on edge. Now, I am long on quite a bit of altcoins. I am not long on XCN here, but if you guys want to continue seeing any more of Onyx Coin, make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe. I will continue to bring you guys updates on this market if there's enough of you guys want to see it. So make sure to give me a like and comment. Now, my opinions on the crypto market is bullish as of right now, okay? But these are just my opinions, not financial advice, just purely what I am doing, okay? So you guys gotta form your own opinions and strategies. And this is basically my very short update for Onyx Coin. Let's see what it does. Let's see if it could continue higher and end up back within this bigger falling wedge pattern with a weekly candle close. So I'll see you guys on the next one.